Okay, I'm about to leave Ghent, where I had a lovely stay, warm shower hosts, and they gave me a tour of the city in the morning and at night as well. So it was very nice. Ghent is a city for bikers.
Yeah, definitely.
Everything, and you can see also they have two kids, and they move around in the city with the bike. Everybody seems to have a bike here, and almost in the city center, the cars are not allowed. No?
Yeah, it's a very car poor city center.
And it's really, really nice. I was really surprised. So yeah, come and visit Ghent, and I'm about to hit the road. Thank you so much. It's a bit hazy this morning. And yeah, as you can see, everybody's on a bike, left and right. I think there are traffic jams, bike traffic jams in the morning in Ghent. Another alpaca farm with an oyster. There are a few oysters and rabbits over there. Yeah, that's weird. There is a, how do you call it, a aviary. And can you see there are pink flamingos? There's a flamingo flying around now. I think I'm getting very close to the border. Carpe diem. I think this is the last village before the border, and I wanted to show you the speciality of Belgium. It's called the friteur. Friteur is a place where they fry everything. Everything you see here, they will deep fry them over there. And in Belgium, everybody loves we call them French fries, but I think they should call them Belgian fries, because here everybody goes crazy for the fries. And everything is fried. Friteur. And that's it. The Belgian fries are ready to be eaten. Pretty good. And after wasting €4 at the friteur to show you guys the staple food of Belgium, everything fried, deep fried, I can peacefully cross the border. Even in Belgium, they are having a tough time. Look at the size of those houses. Farmers in this village must be making good money, good mullah. I'm in Belgium, and this grass is France. So Belgium, France. How freaky is that? Let me explain. When I show you the grass before, that was France. I was on the other side of this field. If you rewind back, you should see those houses. Belgium. Come with me, come with me. France. Country number 54 of the Alaska to Patagonia adventure. Going strong, at times going weak, but still going. It looks a little bit more French than Belgium. I'm not sure where we are, but there is a nice cathedral. and I'm on my way to Roubaix.